Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are staying safe. So today I'm going to be styling my new shorter hair. If you guys did see my previous video, I did cut my hair a little bit shorter and also I colored it orange. I just want to say, since that video, I just washed my hair once and I feel like the color faded out a lot. It's not as vibrant with one wash. This is what it's looking like, and I know that with semi-permanent colors, hair washes out, but I didn't expect a lot of it to just strip out. But I just wanted to give an update, so just in case any of you guys are wondering how long it has been lasting. So this is just after one wash. So today I'm going to be styling my hair. I'm going to be doing some curls on my hair, or waves, soft waves on my hair using a straightener. So today's straightener that I'm going to be using is by Wazer. So Wazer was nice enough to send this out to me to review, so I'm going to try it out on my hair and let you all know how I feel about it. I've done a video of me straightening or curling my hair with a straightener a few videos back, but I'm gonna try and test it out with this one and see how I feel, the difference or not, and I'll let you guys know at the end. So with that being said, I'm just gonna go ahead and prep my hair and get started with styling. As always, you guys know what the first step that I usually do when curling my hair or styling my hair or doing anything with my hair. It is brushing out the hair to ensure that there are no knots and tangles. And I'm gonna keep the part where it is right now. I know my roots are bad. I'm not gonna worry about that right now. Before starting with curling my hair, I'm going to spray my hair, prep my hair with some workable hairspray. I've mentioned it before in my other styling video that I usually start off with spraying my hair with that workable hairspray. So if you are going to be curling your hair, make sure it says workable or fixable hairspray, because that way you can still get your hands in it and work with it. But if you're using an extra hold hairspray and then you're gonna curl it, it's not gonna work, because an extra hold hairspray is only meant when your hairstyle is done. So once you are done curling your hair and then after you finish like running your fingers through it and you like how it is, that's when you use the finishing extra hold hairspray. So I'm gonna be working with a workable hairspray. Any workable hairspray would do. I'm just using this brand that I've had sitting on my shelf, so you know, it works for me. So I'm just going to spray my hair. I like to spray like all over, like nowhere particular. Then I'm gonna go and just tame that down a little bit. I just want to make sure that I have a little bit of grit on my hair so that the curls can stay. Now, I think I should have done this before, but I'm gonna just spray some heat protectant spray. And this one here is my Batiste Stylist Shield My Locks Heat and Shine Spray. Used it before, and this is what I'm gonna do. Spray that all over. So now that I smoothed that down, it's time to section my hair. The bottom layers, I'm not gonna really be too concerned about curling because it is fairly short already. So what I'm gonna do is I will just clip that part of my hair up, and then if need to, I will just kind of like run my straightener down to it, or maybe give it a little flip at the end. So let me try to turn around and see what my hair looks like. This is what it's looking like underneath. I'm not too concerned. So grabbing my Wazer hair straightener, I just have it at 280 degrees. 284 is the lowest heat that it can go. I'm just gonna take my hair and smooth it down. I'm just gonna go ahead with it, smoothing it down and then curling the ends in a little bit. Kind of looks like that, nothing crazy or anything like that. I'm not really too concerned, like I said. So that's what I usually do with the under layers of my hair. And then now as I bring down the rest, that's when I usually start with the curling process. So I'm gonna stare right in my mirror over here. I'm gonna take about this much hair down, like that. And then I'm gonna start producing some curls on my hair. I'm gonna start off right at the front here. A lot of people hold it differently, but this is how I personally hold it. Hold it up this way. So hold it up this way, and then I'm going to spin it that way, like away from the face, and then slide down. So I'm gonna have it right here, kind of close to the base. Give it a spin. Grab the end here, flip it around, and then spin it again. And I don't really curl the ends. I like the ends just to be a little bit straight. So then it looks something like that. And then for the next section, I'm going to alternate that. It's, you know, it's all preference. In my last video, I didn't really alternate the curls when it was at the bottom, but this time I'm going to be alternating it. So this one is going away from the face, and then this one's gonna go towards the face, vice versa. So I'm basically gonna do that all the way around, and then as I bring the next layer down, I'm gonna do the same exact thing by alternating the layers. And always, I'm going to have my mirror to help me see the back. I'm just gonna go ahead, comb my hair. You've seen me do this, but one more time before I proceed through, I'm gonna take this one here. I'm going to take my straightener and hold it in between by the base here, close to the base, not directly to the base, just probably about an inch away from the base. Clamp it down. Now twist it towards my face. Turn it once, and then I'm going to slide and give another twist and then ribbon it through. And I have another curl going in the opposite direction. After this one, I'm going to keep doing that alternating pattern until I reach the halfway mark here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on this side. Everything that is around my face, I always curl away from the face, and then the next one will be towards the face and then away. So I always start with away from the face because I like the curls curling that way. I don't like it facing towards my face. It's just not the style I like, but if you like it that way, then by all means curl it towards your face. But this is just my preference, and I'm just sharing with you guys how I style my hair. After I finish that, like I said, I'm gonna go through each layer, and then maybe I'll meet you guys back until I reach like the top part. I'll leave the top part for last, and I'll come back at you guys when I reach that last layer. So before I continue on, I just want to say that although it's giving me nice waves, I just find that it is not as smooth to glide on when I'm straightening my hair. Like my other hair straightener, when I try to curl it and pull it down, it goes down really smoothly, but I feel like it gets kind of not stuck or hard, but it just doesn't glide smoothly. I don't know any other way to describe it, but I mean, it gives like the nice curls, especially not this one. I still have to redo it again. I'm trying it, but it's like a first time kind of like review. So I mean, like, it's a good straightener. Like, it heats up pretty fast. Like, if you want to just use it to straighten your hair, it'll be fine. But I just find that it is a little bit more challenging for me to give myself curls as opposed to the other ones that I've tried for my hair. I just wanted to say that. I found another way to do the curls. So normally it would just glide very nicely, but this time I'm just gonna do what I do when I curl my hair with a curling iron. So I'll start from the base, give it a twist, and then as I grab this end and have it twisted here, I just kind of open it a little bit like that and just feed it through. Then twist it again, hold on to it so it doesn't fall out, feed it through, twist again, and then just feed it and then ribbon it down. And you kind of get that curl. You guys can see there. And that's another way to curl it with a straightener. Instead of like gliding it through, you can feed it. Try it again so you guys can see. I'll take this section here. This one I'm gonna be curling towards my face. So I'll start half off the base, twist it towards my face. I'll kind of feed it through so I can grab that end. And then I'll feed it through again. Twist. Feed it through. Hold it there for a few seconds and then I'll let go. So that's how I do it. Then I'll go back and curl the rest again. Alright, so I'm on my last layer here. So I'm not really going to do anything too different about it. The only thing that's going to be different is I'm going to leave the front section for last. I always leave the front section because I like to just work with it to how I want the style to look like. So I always leave this and a little bit of this to last. Actually, I might just add this one because this is more of my heavier side because my part is more here, so there's more heaviness on this side. So I'll just leave this. This is just, again, my own personal preference. So I'm just gonna leave this little piece to the end and then I'm just gonna start right here. Anything goes. I'm just gonna take a small section like this and then I'm going to curl that one away from my face. The only difference that I'm doing here is just leaving the front out. Like normally I would start with the front section and curl away from my face, but this part here we'll be saving last, and then the rest I'm gonna be flipping away and just twisting and curling it away from my face, and then vice versa. This one will be away from the face, and like I've mentioned before, it doesn't really glide as smooth. So I'm just trying to work with it as best as I can here by just feeding it through and then just twisting it down. So the little curl like that. If you find that there might be a kink, you can go just back at it and smooth that part out as you twist away. Alright, so I just completed curling my hair. I'm not gonna lie though, I was actually having some issues with the straightener. It just wasn't gliding properly on my hair, and I was hoping that I can get through my whole hairstyle with this one. It could possibly be the fact that I have other products on my hair because, you know, this is not freshly washed hair. It's like 3-day-old hair. It could be the fact that it doesn't glide as good because, you know, I have other grits in there as opposed to the hairspray that I just put in. I don't know, maybe I'll try again after I wash my hair again to see if it works better with cleaner hair. But I never really had any problems before with my other styling tools, even though it's like 2-day-old, 3-day-old hair with other products. But I just couldn't really get the groove with it. It's just my own personal opinion, so I ended up switching over to my Marcel curling iron to just finish off everything. I mean, I made it halfway with the hair straightener, but it just wasn't giving me the looks that I wanted at the very top. So I ended up just curling the rest of my hair with the curling iron. So, you know, I wanted to give you guys my honest opinion with it. You know, I still appreciate Razor for sending me their hair straightener to try out. Again, it could just be because my hair has other products like I've mentioned, but I will test it out again on clean hair and I will probably let you guys know, give you guys like an update on how it went with cleaner hair. So this is just my hair after I finish curling it. I'm not gonna leave it like this. I don't normally leave it like this. I like to run my fingers through it. I wanted to just kind of share with you guys how I do my hair. So after I finish curling it, I just like to run my fingers because some parts are like a little bit flat here and I don't like it to sit that way. So I'll just run my fingers through my hair, and when I do it that way, it just kind of builds more of a volume where the curls sit on top of each other more. So I just play around with it until I get the look that I want. And then I'll go in with a texturizing spray as well. This one I'm using the Joico Body Shake Texturizing Finisher. And then I like to focus on the root area. So I'll go like this, spray over there, separate it here, spray over there. then I'll give my hair a shake like so. So it kind of gives me a little bit more body at the top here. I always like to use a texturizing spray, and then I just kind of go with my fingers, or I can go in with a tail comb so that I don't flatten it out too much. Alright, so once I get it to how I like it looks okay just like that. I mean, I don't know about, you know, kind of twist it a little bit differently around the front, some minor details here. But once I get it to that look that I'm comfortable with, like this looks pretty good, I would say. So then now that's when I take my finishing spray. I'm just using my So Gorgeous hairspray. Gonna spray that all over. So I'm just tucking it behind my ear. I just kind of like how that look is. And I just leave a little bit here as a sideburn. Can add some clips here as well, but I'm just gonna leave my hair like this because I like it like that. And just for some extra shine, I'm going to use my Ice Shine Spray by Pantene Pro V. And that's it. That's basically how I style my new short hair. Again, I was hoping that it would go a little bit differently with the hair straightener, but you know, at least I tried it, and you guys know how I feel about it. If you guys are still interested in checking it out, I'll post a link in my description box down below where you can check it out as well. And I mean, if you guys want to, I have a coupon code as well that you guys can use. But like, it's gonna be all up to you if you guys want to check it out as well. I mean, it's not expensive or anything like that. It's a very affordable hair straightener. So I mean, like, if you want a hair straightener to play with, if you just want something that would straighten your hair, it would work just fine. Curling it could work too. I guess it depends on hair texture and hair types as well. Like I said, I mentioned already earlier, my hair is like 3-day dirty hair with other products on there, so maybe that's why it's giving it more of an issue for me to kind of glide it through. But I'll update you guys again when my hair is freshly washed, and I will try styling my hair again with it to see how it goes. So that is about it for this video. If you guys did enjoy this, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, which I don't know why you are not, my channel is super awesome. I post like a lot now, like at least once or twice a week, because I got more time now, and I just want to entertain all of you guys and kind of just give you guys some tips on how to do your hair and do whatever you need to do, or if you have questions and want to know some tips from me, I want to share it with you guys, because you know, there are no hair salons open right now who are going to be taking clients, and we're all on our own to be taking care of our own hair. So in any way possible, I want to help you guys out. So if you guys have any questions or concerns, leave them down below. I read them all the time, and I try to respond, or I try to take your responses and turn them into a video. Also check me out on Instagram. It's Anonuevo for my main account, and then I have my hair artistry account, which is Glamstar Artistry. Fortunately, I am not doing hair right now at all for any clients or anything like that, but I probably will be posting some pictures of hair that I've done in the past that I didn't post yet, so keep a lookout on that. And also check my family channel out. We're posting some more videos on there because, you know, we try to keep ourselves busy, keep the family busy. So hopefully you guys can check out that channel as well. Something a little bit different. It's not hair related. It's just kind of like fun everyday things that you can see in my life if you guys are interested in that. Also check me out on TikTok. I'm posting there, not all the time, but you know, once in a while when I can. And yes, I think that is it. Anything else I miss, I will post in my description box. And yes, you guys know I love you guys, so thank you again for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!